Alright, in this quick video today, I'll show you how you can set up Metapixel for a high-level funnel. We are going to use this for lead generation. So first step is going to be creating a funnel. So I already have a 3-step funnel, which is going to be apply, book a call, and then a thank you page. I already have the existing domain connected. We are all ready to go. So we need to go to settings and then add a tracking code here. So we need to go to business.facebook.com and then have to go to datasets and then create a new pixel. And then this is what you'll see. It's a brand new pixel. We have to set it up first. So let's go to setup metapixel and then see instructions. Once you create the dataset, you have to copy the base code by clicking on the copy code button. And then once you have it, you need to paste the base code to the website. So in HighLevel, it's super easy. You need to go to your funnel, under sites, go to funnel, select your funnel, and then under settings, paste to the head tracking code. Make sure to save. Once it's saved, go back to Events Manager, go to continue, and then turn on advanced matching. Make sure everything's turned on, and then click on done. And then it's as easy as that. Your pixel now should be measuring. There's something else we need to do here. Since we have a book a call step, we have to make sure we have the pixel also added inside the calendar. So edit the page in a new tab. Select the calendar that you want to use. So you'll see is the construction accounting assessment. So we have to find the exact same calendar inside HighLevel. So we need to go back, go to calendars, go to the calendar settings, and we need to select one calendar that we are going to use, which is going to be the construction assessment. So this is on page 2. Let's go to settings, go to forms and payment. And then here you'll see the form, the questions that you use. And then here you have the pixel ID. So for this, again, go back to the Events Manager, go to settings, and you'll have your pixel ID here on the top left. Just copy and paste. So now the pixel is also inside the calendar. Let's make sure your form is correct. And I'll also update the thank you page URL. Let's save. All right, and then the last step is going to be testing the events to make sure everything works correctly. So let's go to confirm your website events are set up correctly. Copy the URL of your first step. Go back to the Events Manager, and you see we are already tracking the page view. So let's try and book a call. Let's click on the button, fill out the form. And then once we fill out the form, this should track the lead data. So we go back, yes, the lead was tracked, so we can optimize the campaigns for the lead action. Then let's select a time, and then let's book a call. And then once we book a call, we have the thank you page. And then also the schedule event was also tracked. So the pixel is working correctly, the tracking is correct. So it's as easy as that. It takes about 5 minutes to create a new pixel and then connect it to HighLevel and then make sure it's going to work for your lead generation funnel. If you have more questions regarding HighLevel, just drop a question under this video, subscribe for more, and then make sure to check out my school group link in the description.